Hi, Miriam from the Bureau with a Saturday morning update on Tropical Cyclone Alfred. Tropical Cyclone Alfred has, in the last hour, weakened back to a tropical low pressure system and is now considered an ex-tropical cyclone. Alfred reached the offshore islands of southeast Queensland close to midnight last night, where it weakened back to a Category 1 system very quickly. It became slow moving and lingered near Bribie Island for a number of hours. As of 6:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, it hasn't yet made a crossing for the mainland coast. That is likely within the next couple of hours, somewhere between Maroochydore and Bribie Island, with the system as an ex-tropical cyclone. Now, just as a reminder to everyone, the category of a tropical cyclone is based on the wind strength and wind gust speed. That means we've seen those winds backing off over the last few hours, leading to that weakening in the system. However, it doesn't speak to the rain and flooding risk that we're still anticipating. Our tropical cyclone warning has now been finalised as the system's no longer a tropical cyclone, but significant severe weather warnings and flood warnings remain in place, flagging that risk of heavy rainfall, flash flooding and riverine flooding through the rest of today and going into tomorrow. For Brisbane and the Gold Coast, today is likely to be the wettest day. We've already seen a lot of rain and a lot of flash flooding in those areas in the overnight period, and more is on the way for today. That risk will extend down into the far northeastern parts of New South Wales as well. As we go into tomorrow and the ex-tropical cyclone moves inland, the risk of rain will also start shifting westwards, but heavy falls are still possible. Of course, we may still see some damaging wind gusts across that stretch of coast through the course of today, but the widespread, very strong wind gusts are less likely than they were before. Through this period, it is essential to stay on top of the severe weather warnings and the latest forecast via the Bureau's website and weather app, and of course listen to all advice from your local emergency services, as this severe weather event is not over yet. Stay safe.